In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover your lost Gmail account without recovery email and without recovery phone number. So first of all, let me tell you something. Whenever we try to recover our Gmail account, that time we can see two types of problem. The first problem is you couldn't sign in. I mean, whenever you tried that time, you will see this kind of interface which is you couldn't sign in. And the another thing is whenever you try to recover, you will see this kind of interface which is use same Gmail code. I mean, you need to enter your same Gmail code, but you don't have access to that same Gmail, right? So this is actually two problem. But whenever you follow proper way, that time you will see two kinds of recovery complete process. The first one is this one, which is use this link for access to your account, and after that you will see this. I mean, your account is already recovered, so welcome back to your account. So this is actually long process. So if you really want to learn how to recover your lost Gmail account, that time you can see this video. But if you are in hurry mode, that time you can skip this part, because I will show you a step-by-step process for recovering your lost Gmail account without recovery email and without recovery phone number. So before starting the process, I'll ask you something, that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. So let's start. So first of all, let me show you whenever you try to recover your lost Gmail account, that time what types of problem you will face. So let me go to my Google Play Store, and after that I need to install one browser which is this one, DuckDuckGo. Just install this application in your phone, and after that let me click here open option, and there are some settings, so you will need to allow. So after that let me search here google.com, and then you can see there is sign in. So let me click this one, then let me write here my recovery Gmail account. I mean, which Gmail account I want to recover. Okay, so I want to recover this Gmail account, and after that let me click here next option. Then it asked for your password, but you don't know your password. But if you remember any last password, that time you can give a try. Okay, so right now I don't know my password, so that's why I need to click here forget password. And then you can see user number from your account. So this is two-step verification phone number. This is not recovery. Recovery phone number is different and two-step verification phone number is different. Okay, so let me click this two-step verification phone number, and after that get a verification code. To get a verification code, first confirm the phone number you added to your account. Okay, so let me give that phone number in here, and after that let me click at send option. You will be really surprised, because after entering the code I couldn't also recover this account. Okay, so it sends some code number, so let me enter that code number, and after that if I try to click here next option, then just wait for a few seconds. And there is another problem available, which is an email with a verification code was just sent to that same Gmail. I want to recover this Gmail, and Google sent code number also into that Gmail. So how can we actually recover that account? That's not possible. Okay, so what I need to do, I need to click here try another way, this option, and you can see couldn't sign you in. You didn't provide enough info for Google to be sure this account really yours. Okay, you saw I enter my phone number, and after that I couldn't also recover it. Okay, just remember this thing. So right now let's start for the recovering process. Do not try from here anymore. Okay, so first of all let me go to again Google Play Store, and after that I need to install another application which is Chrome, and you need to also install this Google Chrome browser. And after that just go to your phone settings option and then go to apps section, then scroll down and find out Google Chrome browser. You can see there is Google Chrome. Then you can see permissions. Then you need to select here location, and you need to allow only while using the application. Just turn this setting on, because let me show you another thing. If I go there, more tips to recover your account, let me show you. There you can see, for recovering your account, use a familiar device and location. Use a computer, phone or tablet where you frequently sign in, and use the same browser like Chrome or Safari that you usually do, and be in a location where you usually sign in. So that's why you need to turn on this Chrome browser location. Okay, and after that just swipe down your notification panel, then turn on your location from your phone so that you are in matching mode. Okay, so after doing all this thing, just enter into your Google Chrome browser, and after that just search here Gmail account recovery page. This is official Gmail account recovery page. Okay, so after searching on it, you need to click this one, how to recover your Google account or Gmail. So let me click this one. Then you will see this kind of interface. So just scroll down and you need to click this one, which is can't sign in to your Google account. Just click on that one, then scroll down, and there are some option available for you. You forget your password and you forget your username or the email address you used to sign in. Okay, there are lots of process. Okay, so I need to choose this one, you forget your password. Okay, because I forget my password. And after that just scroll down again. So now you need to click here tips to complete account recovery steps, this option, and then scroll down again. And then click here change or reset your password. Then you can see in there follow the steps to recover your account. Okay, so to request another email, follow the steps to recover your account. So you need to select this one, and after that you will find out this option which is account recovery. So you need to enter your that Gmail account, which Gmail account you want to recover. So I want to recover my this Gmail account. So right now I need to select next option. Then again it asks for your password, but you don't know your password. So let me click here try another way. Then there is use a phone number from your account. This is two-step verification phone number. This is not recovery. Okay, so you can see in the two-step verification phone, but if you have recovery phone number, that time below your phone number you will see recovery phone number written. Okay, so I need to click this one. Then it sends some code number again to that phone number. So let me write that code. I used this method before from this browser, which is DuckDuckGo. Okay, I used my phone number but it didn't recover. Okay, but I used right now Google Chrome browser because this is familiar device for me. I used my this Gmail from this browser. Okay, so right now I need to click here next option. So again it sent same Gmail code number, but you don't have access to your same Gmail, right? So you don't need to worry. If you click here, try another way, that time you will be really surprised. Okay, so let me click here, try another way. So right now you can see we need some time to make sure that is account really belongs to you. So enter another email address that we can use to get in touch with you once we have confirmed that this is really your account. Before I enter that phone number from this browser, which is DuckDuckGo, and I couldn't recover it, or I couldn't find this option. But whenever I tried from Google Chrome browser and I used my two-step verification phone number, that time I see this kind of interface. So this is really very important for you. I mean, you need to use your same browser, same location, same Wi-Fi. Okay, so use any one of them. So right now you need to enter your another valid email account. Okay, so let me go to my Gmail application, and after that let me choose one of my valid email account. Okay, so I need to choose this valid Gmail account for that. Okay, so that Google can contact to this Gmail account. So let me write that Gmail in here. And you need to write gmail.com also. So after that, let me click on next option and verify the email address that you entered. So it sent some OTP code, your new Gmail. Okay, so this is my new Gmail and I got one code in there. So let me collect that code for verifying. So right now I need to enter here, and after that let me click on next option. And then you can see in there, check the email that you entered after 48 hours. So after 48 hours, you need to check your new Gmail, where Google can send you one link, I mean recovery link. Let me show you. I requested another link few days ago. So after 48 hours, you will see this kinds of interface in your new Gmail, which is use this link to sign back in. So you can now reset your password and sign back in to your lost Gmail. This link will work for 7 days. So after seeing this email after 48 hours, you need to click here, get started. And after that, you will find out one password option, which is new password and retype new password, and after that you can recover your lost Gmail account. So that's it, guys. So by this easiest process, you can recover your lost Gmail account easily. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you face any kinds of problem, then please let me know in the comment section. I will try to help you. Thanks.